Welcome back to our Just English Talk channel. Today, we're going to boost your speaking skills with 50 daily use questions and answers that will make your conversations smoother and more natural. We'll go step by step with clear examples you can start using right away. So keep watching till the end, because the more you practice, the more confident you'll sound in English. Section 1. Greetings and small talk. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
How's your day going?
It's going great, thanks for asking.
What's your name?
My name is Alice.
Where are you from?
I'm from London.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
What do you do?
I work as a teacher.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Have we met before?
I don't think so.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I stayed home and read a book.
Section 2. At a restaurant.
Could I see the menu, please?
Of course, here it is.
What do you recommend?
The pasta is our most popular dish.
Is this dish spicy?
Yes, a little bit.
Can I have this without onions?
Sure, no problem.
Can I get a glass of water?
Yes, I'll bring it right away.
How long will my order take?
About 15 minutes.
Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly, here it is.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we do.
What are today's specials?
We have grilled chicken and mushroom soup.
Can I get this packed to go?
Yes, we'll pack it for you.
Section 3. Shopping. How much is this?
It's $10.
Is there a discount on this?
Yes, 10% off.
Do you have this in a larger size?
Yes, let me check.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Do you accept returns?
Yes, within 7 days.
Is this on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
Can I pay in cash?
Sure.
Do you have this in another color?
Yes, we have it in blue and black.
Can you gift wrap this?
Yes, for free.
Can I get a bag, please?
Yes, here you go.
Section 4. Travel and directions. How do I get to the bus station?
Go straight, then turn left.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just a 10-minute walk.
Which bus goes to the airport?
Bus number 25,
How much is a ticket to Delhi?
it's $15.
Where is the nearest ATM?
Around the corner.
Can I walk there?
Yes, it's very close.
Is there a train at 5 p.m.?
Yes, from platform 3.
How long does it take to get there?
About 2 hours.
Do I need to change buses?
Yes, at the central station.
Is there a taxi stand nearby?
Yes, just outside the hotel.
Section 5. Daily life. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have toast and tea.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy it.
What's your hobby?
I like reading books.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, in the evenings.
How often do you exercise?
3 times a week.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I do.
What time do you go to bed?
Around 10 p.m.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, twice a day.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring.
Great job! You've just learned 50 practical questions and answers for everyday English conversations. The key is to practice them regularly until they come naturally to you.